Welcome along to another video, and I think it can be safely said that it's any mobile detailer or valeter's dream maybe, and certainly the car enthusiast, is to have their very own unit. And as you can hear on a cold frosty morning, I'm at what's my unit. So if I could tell you that it's possible to have a unit for £250 a month that will fit 2 cars in, you probably think I'm a little bit crazy. Well, it is. The only problem is that I've got to adapt it and do quite a lot of work to it. So the aim is on this one is that we are going to transform this shed really into a decent detailing bay that's fit for use with ceramic coatings and all kind of detailing work. So, £2,500 with a ramp in it. Can we get it done? Well, I plan to. And this is it. So welcome to my detailing bay. And as you can see, I have no heating. I have no running water. I have a gravel track outside and I'm in the middle of nowhere. So why am I here? Well, I've told you one of the reasons already is that my rent here is going to be £250 a month. And as you can see from the outside, the doors aren't very good, but the landlord's going to put some roller shutter doors on me like the ones you saw outside. What else can you see? Well, I've got no insulation. I've got no ceiling. The floor needs doing. The walls need doing. Everything needs doing. But if I can get this done for under £2,500, then I'll stop using some places where I've bounced off, trying to find a unit which I want or paying rent for a day for a detailing bay. I've been searching for about 3 years now for a unit, and the units which I want come up hardly ever. And it's going to be looking to cost you £1,400 a month in total, which if you're going straight from a mobile basis into a studio base, is going to be very hard to do. So this is going to be a stepping stone. And in fact, the estate which I wanted to be on, I used to have a large number of customers on there, but quite a few of them are either packed up and retired, or they're just simply not there anymore. So why do I need to be in town? If I can make this work for a cheap amount of money and I can be established in this position, then there is a unit on the other side of the estate which is absolutely ideal. So really, how am I going to make this work? So going through all the processes, firstly, I want to insulate the ceiling. I need to keep the heat in. I need to keep it a workable area for coatings. So insulation is going to be a bubble format. I'm going to staple that to the beams around the ceiling to try and keep the heat in. And then I'm going to put a stud ceiling on with a lighting which will go on that. I am concerned whether I'll get sweating on there because it's an unknown quantity with what's in here, but it doesn't seem to be an easy answer. So it's going to be a suck it and see and how we go from there. As you can probably see, I've started doing the walls already. I got a price to do the walls and I'm trying to save money. So I was going to do the ceiling, but that's going to prove too difficult for me to do. So I've just filled all the cracks in and I'm going to paint all the walls grey. One of my biggest problems inside my unit is the floor. It's really uneven and in quite a state. Painting it, the paint always lifts. The floor's so uneven, I can't really put tiles down and they hold water in, so what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to do something really special to that, hopefully, and I'm going to let you know a little later on in another video exactly what I'm going to do that. Once the floor is done, I want to put a ramp at the end for my working area around there, and I'm going to put lighting all around there. So in essence, I want to make this something a bit different. I want to make it a bit quirky in certain ways, and I'll make it pretty cool as well. So keep tuned to see what I do to this, and if I get to the goal which I want to do, and if indeed it works, and I'm sure you'll pick up some tips and tricks to do something yourself and have your own little working area, all of your own. I'm Matt Jones, a Bedford Valeting and Detailing.com. If you like videos like this or you want to see the continuation of this project, then make sure you click that subscribe button and tick that bell so you get notifications of when the new ones come up, and you also see other examples of my work and tips and tricks on valeting and detailing. So thanks for watching and keep tuned.